Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Samsung Galaxy Tab Active3. So when I have a problem with my headphones or another Bluetooth gadget, I'm starting from the simplest way. Just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart the tablet. Little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pyre mode, and how to activate pyre mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices, but is still not for the tablet. Open settings, then swipe down and choose the general management. Swipe down again and choose the reset. Tap the network settings, the Bluetooth is included here, so tap on the reset settings, tap on this button again. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. In the next step, you can also try to update your system, so go to the software update, and if you have any, tap on the download and install, and if you have any, just install it and check again for your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.